Long time no see, everyone. Welcome back to the car vlogs. Today we've got something very important planned. First off, look at all those sixes. God damn! We are doing some work on a new car. If you guys have seen the mat list video that we did, that was about 2 or 3 weeks ago. We're going to go to his house, work on his car. He just got a new car. It's not new, but it's new to him, and it's pretty dope. We'll show it to you. Oh my gosh, there she is. What's up, Gucci? How you doing? How you doing? Ooh, that's just a...
Little jobs like this always take me so long because I will go back and like wipe off every piece. All this is gonna be cleaned off. I don't understand the point of the ground wire. What's the point of the ground wire? You know? I mean, obviously the ground's some shit, but is it plugging a hole? Is that what it's doing? Like, aesthetic as fuck, bro.
Yeah. What do you do when this shit rains?
Oh, you ain't my fucking windshield up like this?
What?
Like, bro, can you hand me the oil filter? He's like, yeah, I can get the oil filter. Hands me the oil filter. I gotta put the oil filter in. Profuse amount of brand new oil. It just starts the filter all onto my face and mouth and everything in between.
Oh,
and I'm like,
gosh.
yo, why is there oil, you know, all over my face now? And he's like, oh, I put oil in the oil filter because I read somewhere you're supposed to do that. Even if you were supposed to do that, it don't make no sense because the oil filter thing's like this, and you gotta turn the oil filter sideways, and gravity and liquid, you know what I'm saying? Under car.
Real smooth.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm not. Oh shit, this is cool. I got like an underneath fucking like penis shot. Did I just hit record? Oh, it's already recording.
Your boy ready.
It's got me saying penis shot. But boy, what is that over there? Look at how tragic that is. Look at this nasty ass exhaust. There. Kick sand all in my eyes.
Sorry, I can't hear you. You hear all that complaining from over here. Alright, she off.
GSR, so my car's purchased, so this is like plus 5 horsepower right here.
Yeah, buddy.
If it comes off of a fast car, does it make your car fast?
It makes it look fast. I just had a shot of your hand and nothing else. Golly.
My 4.5 inch hand.
And it's 4.5 inches wide.
Maybe that's probably this.
You got a pretty big patty, man.
Yeah, but like lengthwise, it's just not there. It's kind of like never mind. It's like unveiling a park.
I wish mine was that easy. Bro, cut that shit off.
Oh, it's the top one for sure.
Oh. Oh my god. Okay.
Fuck. Then I'm gonna twist it though.
Is there no room to twist it?
Not really.
Oh, there you go. Twist and pull. There you go. Matt, if you could rate your experience from 1 to 10?
1.34.
It was not that bad.
I don't know, my eyeball is full of sand. Beg to differ. Wear your safety glasses, guys. Acting was my true calling. I don't know what happened, where this fitness shit came from.
You're in front of a camera and you're speaking. It's like, man, what a guy.
I'm glad somebody thinks that, because I'd be like, look at this dilf. Bad bitches out there. I'm sure you got some glorious shots of my beautifulness.
Did you just look in the camera?